What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the tractor has been painted. It's been painted, cleared, and cured. It's been sitting for a little bit. Before we go much further, I'll apologize. The productivity has been a little bit lacking lately. I haven't been posting many videos. A few random questions and stuff here and there, but I've been preoccupied, as it were. But I'm about ready to jump back into this, and part of that, I have a system or a formula that I like to do. You know, with the model at a certain point is ready for paint or decals, or like, here, take a ride with me real quick. Buckle up. All of this stuff here. Sorry about the bumpy ride. All of that stuff is ready for the small brush details or the Sharpies, you know. As you've seen on the channel, when I do a build, I like to have everything all laid out and ready, and, you know, OCD in me just kind of have to line everything up, and but, you know, before I've got it glued together, it's all been detailed, painted, and ready to go. And that's kind of where all this stuff is at right now. There's no chrome on this cab except for the chrome that you attach to it, but there's none to be painted. There's just a little black around the window, and so it's pretty much ready to go. I think I want to do that, finalize this and this with the decals and everything before I move on to continuing with another build, just because it's gotten to be, again, going for a ride, it's a lot. I'm not saying I bit off more than I can chew. It's more than I want to. So, like I said, I'm going to finalize this and that, you know, get it all set so that all that's left really is to fill the top layer. And we've got that, and hard top of that coming. So that's kind of where I'm at. That's the update. Man, talk about it. It just rabbit hole. This has been a rabbit hole. Absolutely. Yeah, let's build a dealership delivery semi again. It'll be fun. So that's kind of the update. That's where I'm at. I'm not sure if I'll have any video or slideshow to post immediately, but that's kind of where, that's the workload. I put some panel line on that, rub a Sharpie around that, get some decals on it, and put all the chrome stuff on, and put all the parts together, and stand back and go, hey, that's kind of neat. Next. Thanks for watching.